If you're a guy over 40 and you've noticed your energy slipping, your drive isn't what it used to be, or let's be honest, your performance in the bedroom is starting to feel like it's on autopilot, I need you to hear me out. Most men won't like what I'm about to say, but here's the truth. The changes you're seeing aren't just part of getting older. They're signals your body is sending you, and if you ignore them, things are only going to get tougher. But here's the good news. There's one simple spot on your body that, if you massage for just 1 minute a day, can help restore potency, boost blood flow, and reignite that spark you thought was gone. Stick with me, because this is exactly the kind of secret most doctors won't tell you, and it could change everything for men over 40. All right, before we dive in, let me properly introduce myself. I'm Dr. Camila Hayes, and I've spent years working with men over 40 who are tired of feeling drained, frustrated, or like their bodies just aren't keeping up anymore. I help guys reclaim their energy, confidence, and yes, their sexual performance, naturally, without expensive pills or gimmicks. Look, I get it. Talking about this stuff isn't easy. I've been in exam rooms with men who are embarrassed, worried, even a little hopeless. But here's the thing. There's almost always a real fixable reason behind what's happening in your body. And I'm here to guide you through it step by step so you can actually feel like yourself again. No judgment, no shame, just practical solutions that work. Here's the deal. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly why potency and performance start slipping after 40. And more importantly, what you can do about it. I'm going to walk you through a simple 1-minute massage trick that targets a specific spot on your body, the kind of thing most guys don't even realize exists. We'll cover the biggest mistakes men make, what's really happening inside your body, and I'll share real examples from men just like you. Plus, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to bust a few myths that could be silently sabotaging your results. And the last one? Most doctors completely overlook it, but it can make a huge difference in your energy, hormones, and performance. By the time we're done, you'll have a step-by-step understanding of how to take back control over your body. And it doesn't involve drugs, expensive supplements, or anything gimmicky. All right, fellas, let's slow down for a minute and talk about why this actually matters. Because here's the truth. Most men think that once they hit their 40s, a drop in energy, libido, and performance is just part of getting older. But that's not exactly the full story. There's a lot happening under the surface that most guys don't realize. First, let's talk hormones. Testosterone, your main male hormone, naturally declines as you age, usually starting around 1% per year after 30. That might not sound like a lot at first, but over a decade, it adds up. Testosterone isn't just about sex drive. It's also what fuels your energy, your mood, your muscle tone, even how your body burns fat. So when levels drop, you feel tired, unmotivated, and, your performance takes a hit. Then there's circulation. As men get older, blood vessels get stiffer, blood flow slows, and your body isn't delivering oxygen and nutrients as efficiently. Think of it like an old garden hose. The pressure just isn't what it used to be. And blood flow is huge when it comes to potency. Without it, no matter how much desire you have, your body just can't respond the way it used to. Now, here's where it sneaks up on guys. These changes happen slowly. You don't wake up one day and suddenly feel old. It's more like a subtle shift. The morning wood isn't as strong, workouts feel harder, energy fades by mid-afternoon, and you just kind of chalk it up to getting older. Most men don't connect the dots until things start affecting confidence, relationships, or overall health. And let's be real, most men get this part wrong. They look for quick fixes, a pill here, a supplement there, without addressing the root causes: hormones, circulation, and lifestyle. Your body is smart, though. It's constantly sending you signals, and once you learn to listen and respond to them correctly, you can reverse a lot of that decline. Here's a simple way to think about it. Your body is like a car. Hormones are the fuel, circulation is the oil, and muscles and tissues are the engine. If one part starts to fail, the car doesn't run right. But with a little maintenance, a little tune-up in the right spot, you can get that engine humming again, and that's exactly what this 1-minute massage trick targets. It's like giving your system a little jump start to help restore balance and function. So, before we get to the step-by-step breakdown, I want you to understand this. This isn't magic. It's science, it's physiology, and it's something every man over 40 can use to feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident, without shame, without embarrassment, and without relying on gimmicks. First, the key spot you've been ignoring. All right, let's get straight to it. The first thing most men overlook is a very specific area in your pelvic region that's critical for potency: the perineum. That's the spot between your scrotum and your anus. I know, not something most guys think about, but here's the deal. This area is packed with nerves, blood vessels, and connective tissue that directly affect your sexual response and blood flow. When you massage this spot for just a minute a day, you stimulate blood flow, improve nerve signaling, and basically wake up your system. Most guys think performance only comes from hormones or exercises in the gym. But the truth is, if your circulation and nerves aren't firing properly, no amount of testosterone is going to fully restore performance. So here's what to do. Gently press and massage the perineum in small circular motions for about a minute. Not painful, just firm. Think of it like priming an engine. Once blood flow improves, the rest of your system can actually do its job. Second, hormone boost through circulation. Next up, hormones and circulation are a tag team. After 40, testosterone drops, but blood flow also declines, which means tissues aren't getting what they need to function. Even if you have normal hormone levels, poor circulation can make you feel sluggish and affect performance. By stimulating the perineum, you're encouraging local blood flow and activating the pelvic nerves that signal your brain to optimize hormone release. It's like giving your endocrine system a gentle nudge. Think about it. A man with healthy circulation feels more energetic, more confident, and yes, performs better. Most men just take testosterone replacement and hope it fixes everything. But this approach, combining massage with circulation, actually supports your body's natural hormone production. It's a subtle difference, but one that matters for men over 40. Third, why nerves matter more than you think. Here's one that gets overlooked: nerve stimulation. The perineum isn't just a muscle. It's a highway of nerves that control sexual function, arousal, and even pelvic floor health. As we age, nerve signaling can slow down, which is why erections sometimes take longer or feel weaker. Massaging this spot improves nerve sensitivity and responsiveness. Think of it like oiling the gears in a machine. Smoother signaling leads to stronger, more reliable performance. Most men think nerves are just something you lose with age. Wrong. They can actually be retrained and activated with consistent, simple techniques like this. Fourth, the prostate connection. Now let's talk about the prostate. Men over 40 start experiencing subtle changes here: enlargement, inflammation, or reduced function, which can impact urinary flow, sexual performance, and overall comfort. Gentle perineum massage improves circulation to the prostate, helping reduce congestion and support prostate health. This isn't something your friends or the internet are talking about. Most guys only think about prostate health when symptoms get bad. But preventative maintenance like this keeps the system running smoothly. Improved prostate circulation equals better erections, more control, and even better orgasms. It's literally a small touch that can make a huge difference. Fifth, daily habits that sabotage performance. All right, let's get real. This 1-minute massage works best if you address the things that usually sabotage potency: sitting all day, poor sleep, processed food, low activity. These all constrict blood flow, mess with hormones, and fatigue your nerves. The truth? Even the best techniques won't work fully if your lifestyle is working against you. Simple changes: walk more, stretch, prioritize sleep, eat real food, amplify the benefits of this massage. Think of it like fertilizing a plant. The massage is the water, but your habits are the soil. Both need to be healthy for growth. Sixth, the mind-body link. You've probably heard about mind over matter, but here's the science behind it. Stress, anxiety, and overthinking literally constrict blood vessels and suppress hormones. Massage helps not only physically, but also signals your nervous system to relax. Just 1 minute focusing on your body, breathing deeply, and massaging that key spot reduces stress, lowers cortisol, and primes your body for better performance. Most men think stress is just part of life. Wrong. It directly impacts potency and energy. Take a minute, breathe, and reconnect with your body. It's simple but powerful. 7th, consistency is everything. Finally, here's the part where most men fail: consistency. Doing this once or twice isn't enough. Just like exercise or diet, daily practice is what rewires your system, improves circulation, and strengthens nerves. Even 1 minute a day, every day, compounds over time. You'll start noticing more morning wood, improved stamina, and better overall confidence. Most guys expect instant results. Reality check. Real change takes consistent, small actions. That's the secret nobody talks about, but it works every single time if you stick with it. Let me share a story about a guy I worked with. Let's call him Mark. Mark was 48, married, and successful in his career, but he came to me frustrated. He told me, "Doc, I just don't feel like myself anymore. My energy is gone, my drive is slipping, and honestly, my wife is starting to notice." Mark's lifestyle wasn't terrible. He exercised a little, ate okay, but he sat at a desk all day, got minimal sleep, and never really paid attention to his hormones or circulation. When we dug deeper, I noticed he had low morning testosterone, sluggish blood flow in the pelvic area, and tension in the muscles around the perineum and lower back. Here's what we did. First, I showed him the 1-minute perineum massage. Just a minute every day, focusing on circulation and nerve stimulation. Second, we adjusted some simple habits: better sleep, short daily walks, and stress management. And third, we tracked small wins together. Within a few weeks, Mark started noticing changes. Morning erections returned more consistently, his energy levels improved, and he felt more confident in the bedroom and at work. After a couple of months, he told me, "Doc, I can't believe it. I feel like I did in my 30s again." The core lesson here is simple. You don't need a miracle drug, fancy procedures, or complicated routines. Small, consistent actions, targeting the right spot, improving circulation, supporting your hormones, can restore your potency and confidence. And most importantly, it works for men just like you. All right, let's clear up some myths that are holding a lot of men back. Stuff nobody really tells you, not your buddies, not the internet, and not even most doctors. Myth number 1. Low testosterone is the only reason I'm losing performance. This is huge. Most men hear testosterone and immediately assume that if it's low, everything else is doomed. But here's the truth. Hormones matter, yes, but circulation, nerve function, stress, and even lifestyle habits are just as critical. You can have normal testosterone and still struggle if your blood flow is sluggish or nerves aren't firing properly. That's why this 1-minute massage works. It targets the missing piece most guys ignore. Myth number 2. I just need Viagra or another pill to fix things. Look, I get it. Pills are convenient, but they don't solve the underlying problem. They temporarily improve blood flow, sure, but they don't retrain your nerves, support your hormones naturally, or improve long-term circulation. Think of it like patching a leak instead of fixing the plumbing. The massage, combined with simple daily habits, actually helps your body do what it's supposed to do on its own. Myth number 3. It's normal to just lose it after 40. Nothing can change. This one drives me nuts. Age-related decline is real, but it doesn't have to be inevitable. Men over 40 absolutely can restore potency, improve energy, and feel confident again. You just have to target the right systems in your body, hormones, nerves, and circulation, instead of waiting for it to get better on its own. Here's the takeaway. If you focus on the fundamentals, the right spot, daily consistency, lifestyle habits, and stress management, you can see real, lasting improvement. Don't buy into the myths that keep men stuck and frustrated. You're capable of more than you think. All right, let's quickly recap everything we covered today so it all sticks. First, target that key spot, the perineum, for just 1 minute a day to boost circulation and nerve function. Second, remember hormones and blood flow work together. Supporting both is what restores energy and performance. Third, nerve stimulation matters. Keeping those signals strong improves responsiveness. Fourth, Prostate health counts. Improved circulation here helps control and performance. 5th, your daily habits matter. Sleep, movement, and stress all amplify or sabotage results. 6th, the mind-body connection is real. Stress reduction improves blood flow, hormones, and confidence. 7th, consistency is everything. Small daily actions compound into big results over time. Stick with these steps. Be patient with your body, and you'll start seeing real, lasting changes. All right, fellas, if you found this video helpful, here's what I want you to do next. Hit that like button to let me know this content matters to you. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips for boosting energy, performance, and long-term health. I also want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me, which of these steps are you going to try first, or what's been your biggest challenge with energy or performance after 40? I read every comment, and I love helping guys figure this out. And if you want my free guide on restoring male vitality, full of tips, tricks, and daily routines to support hormones, circulation, and confidence, the link is right in the description. Grab it, print it, and start putting these steps into action today. Don't wait. Your body is signaling you now. Take control and start feeling like yourself again. You're not alone, and you're definitely not broken. Every man goes through changes, but the good news is you can take control and feel like yourself again. I'm Dr. Camila Hayes. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, small, consistent actions add up to big results. I'll see you in the next video. Rewritten title, 1% Change. Older men, massage this spot for 1 minute to restore your potency. Added the word your. Keeps the title almost identical, but makes it slightly more personal and compelling. Video description, approximately 300 words. If you're a man over 40 and have noticed your energy, drive, or performance slipping, this video is for you. I'm Dr. Camila Hayes, a men's health specialist, and today I'm revealing a simple, science-backed technique that targets a specific spot on your body. Just 1 minute of massage a day can help restore potency, improve circulation,